Why do you want me to be quiet, sir? What's your name? Officer, officer. Oh.
On September 26, 2025, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a guest causing a disturbance. But when he rolled up, it was anything but routine.
Can you tell me what happened before we were here?
Okay, so she took a beer out of one of our colleagues' arms.
Okay.
I asked her to leave,
Uh-huh.
and then she sat here. I asked her several times to leave.
Belligerent.
And
Falling
then
out of these
I
chairs.
can't tell you how many times I've asked her to leave.
Yeah, multiple.
10
And
or
then
more.
my regional manager here talked to the front desk, and the front desk then contacted you folks, asked her again several times to leave, and just would not go.
That's when they
What's a
called
good
you. At one point, I'd like to add that she accosted Connor. She came over and I wouldn't say assaulted, but harassed Connor here. And he put his arms up and said, "Please don't touch me." And that's when I went to the front desk and said, "Hey, can you please remove her from the property?"
Yeah, I got you.
Before this happened, I saw her approaching guests,
Oh,
rambling to obvious strangers.
yeah.
It's obvious she's...
Yeah,
When officers arrived and tried to speak calmly, she did the exact opposite, laughing and mocking them, but she would soon regret it.
it's by the hotel staff?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna stay here. What's your name?
Mary Beth. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Nice to meet you.
What's going on today?
I'm just hanging out, having fun.
You know these guys?
Kind of. I've gotten to know them a little bit tonight.
Oh, you know them, but you didn't know them prior to tonight. You didn't know them prior to tonight?
What was your distraction? No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Sheboygan. Oh,
I love this. I love this. I'm so into it. I'm so into it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Why?
please.
This is fun to me. This is very fun to me. Oh my god, just done. She's done. Why? Why do you want me to be quiet, sir? What's your name? Officer, officer. What's her name? Kyle.
Yes.
Kyle.
Miss Mary Beth, we're gonna get you up to your room, okay?
I don't need a room. I don't need it.
Listen to me, okay? we're gonna escort you to your room. If you leave your room, you start causing a disturbance, you're gonna be asked to leave, okay? Do you understand that?
I don't give a.
Her attitude was truly irritating, and trying to reason with a drunk person felt like a complete waste of time.
We're not fighting.
We're not fighting. We're going to bed. You're going to bed.
I'll fight them then. I'll fight them alone. I'll fight them alone. I don't give a.
Please, Mary Beth.
No fight.
I will fight them alone.
You have to go to your room.
Hey, will you do a favor?
Yes.
Ask the front desk what her room number is. You do?
God damn it, I hate that you know that. But yes, that's true.
Mary Beth, I beg you.
Why?
Because you don't need to get arrested.
We want your best. He wants your best. He's the best man. He wants your best.
This is such a waste of resources. It's such a waste of resources.
Okay, sit up. Stop.
Stop. Like, keep it going.
I just don't want to hurt about it.
Stop.
You're a woman here. Do you understand? Women need help. Do you understand that? What you just did was so brutal. What you did was so brutal. Women need help.
You just kicked me. Right?
Yeah, I just kicked you. Do you understand that? Like, you have more power over me?
No, we're just trying to help you get to your room.
Goddamn. I had help in my room. I had these boys here. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Another 4.
Do you understand how big of a you guys are? Oh, there's no help.
Stop moving.
I don't need it. I don't need it. You guys are so.
Ma'am, do not kick or fight any of us. Please stop.
Well, then why don't you stop with me, dude?
We're just
why don't you
helping.
stop with me? Why the? What the? Yeah, I'm asking the same thing about you two.
All right.
Like, Jesus Christ.
Watch your feet.
I know.
I know, you know that. You know that. Jesus Christ, get off my foot. Like, my foot.
I don't want to get kicked.
I'm not gonna kick you. Just like, let me be. Why are you guys so aggressive? Jesus Christ. I'm not gonna be mad, like.
Maybe you're under arrest.
Okay, I won't. Okay, alright, fine. I'm under arrest. I'm not gonna, like, be aggressive, but. Jesus Christ.
What?
I'll do it. I just can't be the complaint. I guess I should say.
Dude, are you guys bored? Are you guys bored?
I just don't like getting kicked in the chest.
Well, dude, fucking don't kick me, dude. Like, how do you think I feel? How do you think I feel? My head hurts.
Mary Beth was arrested and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer resisting arrest and disorderly conduct. Being entitled is common, but